Hello, friends. So let's just go ahead and create the virtual network gateway. Yeah. Okay. So I'm just going to just virtual network gateway. See that? So click on create, and yeah. So I'm just going to give a name. So let me say I give VNet VNet. Yeah. So and then the SKU. Once again, SKU is stock keeping units, and that depends on the choice of SKU depends on the number of users that will be accessing your application, right? So you can check Azure documentation to know what is the size of the SKU that will be appropriate for the kind of for whatever you know you're doing, the kind of deployment that you want to do. So in this case, I'm just going to choose the first one, and the virtual network I'm going to choose is the one I created, VNet, right? So IP address name, public IP address name. Can just put SOIP, and the second public, I've just put SOIPP. So let's just look through everything. Let's just look through everything. Everything looks good. Just go ahead and review running final validation passed, and then click on create down here. Just click on create. And to the top right, you can see submitting deployment, and the deployment is going to be in process. So this is going to take a while. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video, and once the deployment is done, I'll be back. So all right, the deployment is successful, as you can see on the right. Deployment succeeded, right? So let's just come to just to check that. Let's just come to virtual network gateways. Okay, that's it right there. VNet gate. That was the name I gave to it, right? So the next thing we want to do is that now we've created a virtual network gateway, which is kind of like the VPN gateway, right? So we need to configure it so that the client can connect to Azure environment remotely,